What is going on, guys? Black Computer Tech Guy here, back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about iTunes gift cards or store cards and how they are used and what you can and can't use with them. Now, I've made a bunch of separate videos on this same topic, but I still get questions asking things that the last 4 videos were pretty much something that had already explained it. So I thought I would make one more video, kind of like the definitive video on what this is and what you can and can't do with it. So first thing we're going to talk about is what is an iTunes gift card. Basically, an iTunes gift card allows you to pretty much buy anything Apple related, whether it's for a set of AirPods, AirPod Maxes, MacBook, MacBook Pro, anything that's Apple related, it'll let you buy, including apps, in-app subscriptions, or for buying movies, or for buying music, or for buying music subscriptions. That is what this is used for. Now, you cannot use these for, say, you want to transfer money from your Apple Card balance to your bank account. There's no way of doing that. That's not how that works. That is something called Apple Cash. That is something that is completely separate from iTunes gift cards. And if you want to know how Apple Cash works, I'll have a link over here somewhere on one of the two sides where that I explain what that is and how to do that. Otherwise, these cannot be used for anything other than for Apple related products. Again, like I do get a lot of people in my comments who say, can I use this for buying groceries, or can I use this to buy this and that? No. Again, it can only be used for Apple products only. And just to make sure people understand, now, if you live overseas, then unfortunately I don't know how it works overseas as opposed to here in the US. I know the rules could be a little bit different over there as opposed to here, so I do apologize if you do ask the question about how does it work in, like, say, Taiwan or China or somewhere in Europe like France or Italy or Germany or someplace like that. Unfortunately, I do not know because I don't live there, so I don't know how that works over there. This is going to be specifically just kind of if you live in the US. I believe even in Canada it works about the same. So we're going to go beyond, we're going to go past it now. So again, there are differences between this versus the iTunes store card. Well, that is different because if you were to trade in, like, say, an Apple product, say this was like the iPhone 14, and you want to trade this in for store credit so that you get the 15, what you would do is you'd bring this in, you take it to the Genius Bar and say, hey, I'm going to trade this in for credit to buy whatever Apple product that you want to buy. They'll evaluate it, and what they'll do is they'll give you a gray card. Different than the white cards you get from your retail store, because that's specifically an Apple in-store only thing. And you can use that for whatever you want. It's basically the same thing as this. So say you trade in your 14, but you don't want to buy another phone yet, you want to wait, but you have another phone already, then you can still use that store card for buying products in that Apple store, or you can use it again for buying subscriptions and things of that nature. Otherwise, you can be buying one of these at the store, and I know if you've ever been to like a Walmart or Best Buy, you've seen these. And you can also buy and redeem on your phone. So if you have an iPhone and you go through your app store, there is a way to redeem them through that, and I did make a video on that as well, but it's fairly easy. So if you don't want to go to the store, you can't get to the store, or you just want to do it for like a gift and you don't want them to know that you're going to the store to buy that, you can do it that way and you can gift it that way. Otherwise, there are more than one ways of actually getting an iTunes card and using it. Otherwise, we're going to be talking about the physical cards that you buy from the store. So again, you cannot use these for anything other than Apple related products. It cannot be used for transferring money from your iTunes account to your bank, nor can you use it to gift. You can't really use this to gift to other people unless they buy their own card and you buy a card for them and you give it to them. Then yes, then they can do it themselves. But if you have a balance, you cannot gift your balance to someone else. As far as I know, I don't think I've ever seen that ever been done before. But if it has been, then okay. But as far as I know, I've never really seen anyone do it. So, how to redeem one of these and how to use it. So we're going to pop this open and I'm going to show you what this looks like now. It's going to vary depending on which card, because there are different versions of this card that you can buy. I was in Anaheim, California 3 weeks ago for a VidCon, and I bought one of their iTunes cards. It looks exactly like this. The only difference is that the card inside has been discontinued because they have a new way of doing it. And Apple usually tends to do this sometimes, where they'll pull out old cards, put in new cards, and you won't even know. Sometimes these stores don't really pay much attention, or they don't stock all of them, and so you grab one and it's the wrong one and it won't scan at the register. That's the only when you have to have one of the cashiers kind of call someone and fix that for you, but it did happen to me, and once they fixed it, it was pretty simple. So otherwise, we're going to pop this open and I'm going to show you what this looks like. So this is what mine looks like. Now there are various versions of this. This one comes with the gray bar attached to it. There's others where you get both. It shows you like the numbers and the letters, and then the last 3 letters and numbers are blocked out. That way, if someone tries to, I guess just for security reasons, if someone tries to steal it, then they can't really use it unless they have the last 3 digits. Otherwise, it won't be. It's kind of useless unless once you ring it up, then it's useful. But if you were to, like, say someone was to steal one of these and try to sell it to you, and it wasn't activated, basically it just got your money from you and you have a useless card. Otherwise, always just buy it from a store or do it through the app store through your phone. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to redeem this on your phone. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I've done this before, so we're going to get into that now. So we're going to switch to the app store. As you can see right there, it is a little A right there. Tap on that. And then from here, as you can see, if you've seen the App Store before, this is exactly what it looks like. What you're going to do is you're going to navigate to the top right corner, which is going to have your little name on it. Now, it'll either be a picture or it's going to be a letter of your name. It's usually going to be the first letter of your first name. You tap on that. And here is where it tells you like your name, your credits, apps, subscription, all that. Right down here where it says redeem gift card or code, we're going to be using that to actually enter in the amount into my credit. As you can see, my credit balance is 0. We're actually going to use the card and we're going to add that to this. So I'm going to grab my card really quick and then I'm going to show you how that works. And again, as I said before, the card will have a little gray thing on it, so we're just simply going to peel that off and then it'll reveal the code and then we'll enter in the code. Another thing I forgot to mention is if you have to peel these off, peel them off slowly, because what will happen is that if you peel off too fast and you peel off a letter or a number and it's unreadable, you're going to have to go through Apple support, and the only thing they're going to require is a receipt of when you bought this. So if we're talking about you bought this like say 8 or 9 days ago, but you threw the receipt away. Without the receipt, it is a little bit difficult for them to kind of verify that you bought it when you said you bought it. And they'll also need the serial number on the back of this. So what they'll end up doing is they're going to ask you to take a picture of the card and then the receipt, and then both at the same time. I know this because this happened to me a couple of days ago where I bought one at Target and I had the same thing and I ripped it off and it peeled off some of the letters and I couldn't figure it out, so I had to go through Apple support. So make sure you peel this off slowly. So I'm going to peel this off and then I'm going to show you how to redeem this. So what we're going to do is, now that the code has been revealed, we're going to select the redeem gift card and code or code, tap on that. Then it's going to ask us for redeem a gift card or code. Use camera, say yes. Otherwise, you can type this in manually. So for this video, normally I would just do it through the facial way, but we're going to do it manually. So I'm going to type in manual, and then here you just simply enter in the code, and then once that's done, you hit redeem. So let me enter in the code really quick. Now, before I hit redeem, to let you know that this is a $15 gift card, and as I showed you before, the balance is 0. So once I hit redeem, this will show you $15 on my account. And again, I type this in manually. Otherwise, you can simply just, if you have facial recognition on for your phone, you simply just use your face and it'll automatically redeem it. So I'm gonna hit redeem. As you can see, you added $15 to your account, and you can shop at the App Store or shop at the Apple Store online. So as I said before, with these cards, they're only designed for Apple stores and Apple products. They're not designed for banks, so you can't transfer $15 from this to your savings or checking account. It doesn't work that way. It's only for buying Apple products, whether it's in-app purchase for subscription, or whether it's buying an app itself, or whether it's buying a movie itself or a TV show. As long as it's an Apple product, then you can use this. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I want to thank everybody for watching again. If you have any questions, just please feel free to leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And I want to thank everybody for watching. Again, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. My name is Black Tech Guy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your summer.